There's an organ inside you that's part chemical plant, part gatekeeper, and part superhero. It's the liver. Weighing about 1.5 kilograms, it's your largest internal organ, and it's the only one that can regenerate. You could lose up to 75% of your liver, and if the remaining tissue is healthy, it will grow back to its full size in a matter of weeks. What makes it so central to our health? It starts with its unique plumbing. Unlike any other organ, the liver gets blood from two different sources. One vessel, the hepatic artery, brings fresh oxygen, but the other, the hepatic portal vein, brings something far more crucial. Every single thing you've just digested. Every nutrient, every medication, every toxin from your last meal goes straight to the liver first. This is the first pass effect. The liver gets to inspect, filter, and process everything before it's allowed to enter your main circulation. Inside, roughly 100,000 tiny hexagonal factories called lobules are buzzing with activity. Here, specialized liver cells get to work. One of their most famous jobs is detoxification, a clever two-step process. In phase 1, enzymes break a toxin apart. This can actually make it more dangerous for a brief moment. But immediately in phase 2, the liver attaches a chemical tag to the molecule, making it water-soluble so your body can safely escort it out. But that's not all. The liver is also your body's energy manager. After a meal, it stores excess blood sugar as a substance called glycogen. When your energy drops, it releases that sugar back into your system, keeping your brain constantly fueled. It also manufactures essential proteins that keep fluid in your blood vessels and help you stop bleeding. It even acts as a long-term pantry, storing enough vitamin A for 2 years and vitamin B12 for up to 5. From filtering toxins to balancing your energy, the liver quietly performs over 500 vital functions. It is the silent, regenerative guardian of your body's internal chemistry.